Welcome to AJ's Airgun Hunting and Outdoor Product Review.
What's going on, everybody? AJ here from AJ Airgun Hunting and Outdoor Product Review, and today I got an awesome video for you guys. Today we're going to be shooting the brand new Pinty Buster, which I like to call the MK2, due to the fact that Pinty has upgraded a little bit of features on this. Number one feature being the turn fill cover here. Before, you used to have to pull this out in order to put the fill probe in to fill up your Pinty Buster, which would cause problems for people using moderators because the moderator would block the cap to come out. So we're going to go over some things here that I equipped on this due to the fact that I am going to be using this in some professional air pistol competitions. Matter of fact, coming up next week, so stay tuned for that video. But we're going to go over some things here now. This, again, is the Pinty Buster MK2 177 caliber. I have this topped off here with the Gunner Heimdall 624x50 FFP scope. I love this scope due to the fact that you can really quickly adjust your shots with holdovers and hold unders due to the fact they have the dots on there. Also, the parallax wheel is phenomenal. I do have a parallax wheel attachment to this so I can make quick yardage adjustments during competition. I also have a scope level attachment to this as well, so I don't cant my shots at further distance. This here is also equipped with a bipod attachment by MDT. I also have the scope dope chart attachment piece here to the scope. This by far is a phenomenal air pistol. The accuracy from what I have tested this at is super accurate out to 35 yards. But today we are going to be pushing the limits and going 40 plus yards just to see how good and how the grouping holds on this air pistol. Another thing I wanted to go over, which is very interesting, is this build. I wanted to keep everything as much as possible Pinty. So instead of using an aftermarket moderator made by another company, I decided to go with the Pinty Nightfall moderator, the Pinty Nightfall MK2 moderator to be exact. And I'll tell you what, I put it on this thing and it performs flawlessly. I have no complaints at all. So let's see how this performs. Take some shots downrange here, 40 to 45 yards, maybe even pushing it out to 50 with the 177, and see how accurate this really is. Also, before we do that, I am using the JSB's Exact Classic 8.44 grain pellet in 177. These, by far, have performed the best out of this air pistol that I have used tons of different types of pellets, and this, by far, has performed the best. So let's see how far we can really push this thing out and see how accurate these pellets will hold the group. And I will keep you posted. Stay tuned. All right, so there we have the target downrange. It's a little windy out today, so this will also offer us some real life situation here if you're out hunting or in competition as well. So I'm going to zoom this out to show you guys how far that really is. Okay, that is exactly 40 yards. I did range find it. Okay, that is 40 yards down there. I know that don't seem like a lot, but for an air pistol, it is a lot. So we're going to take a couple shots down here and see how this performs. All right, guys, so I'm going to keep a continuous rolling here of the video to show you. All right, I'm going to replace that one down here with this. I just wanted to take a couple shots just to make sure the scope was still on because it was sitting for 2 days. Okay, we're walking down here. And I am going to do a continuous recording, no cutting out, because I want you guys to see this has no marks on it, no holes at all, just so I could show you how accurate this is. I'm going to put this on here. Okay, I'm just going to put it over top of the old one. And then I'm going to bring you guys down here after take 5 shots of this. Okay? Haha. Let's head back. So, as you can see, we're heading back. Beautiful day out today. A little bit windy, but you know, it happens. But we're going to test this out. Okay? We're going to do some real life situation in with the shooting here, with if it was a competition or out hunting. So let's give it a whirl, guys. Uncut, continuous filming, 40-yard shot, five shot grouping. I'm using the single tray that was provided with me, or provided for me. All right, here we go. And we're going to take our first shots here. Holy smokes. I'm not saying anything because I'll show you guys. And I'm not joking. I've kept this filming the whole time just to show you guys ain't no video cuts in this. This is 40 yards. I ranged it out with the rangefinder. That's the second shot. Oops. Let's Fella didn't agree with me today. Let's get another one in there. Again, I'm doing this the uncut, unedited version because I really want you guys to see how the grouping is with this. I mean, this is absolutely phenomenal. Okay. Now, I did do some trigger work on this. That's 3. Now I'm going through the same hole at 40 yards, guys. This is no joke. This is no joke. Again, make sure you're using the proper pellet too. That really, really means a lot. If you don't have the right pellet and your air pistol does not like the right pellet, it is not going to perform great. So, okay, last shot. And this scope, I'll tell you what, I love this scope. If you get the chance to get on a gunner scope, the Heimdall, make sure you do it for sure. Okay, this is a 5-shot grouping, guys. I am not cutting the camera. I'm going to walk down and I'm going to show you guys. This is how crazy accurate this is. An air pistol. Okay, we're going down 40 yards. I did range find this out. This is 40 yards, 100%. Guys, wait till you see this grouping at 40 yards. Now you see me, this is uncut, unedited. Check this out. At 40 yards, I'm going to actually take this camera off the tripod here because I want to show you. This is what I'm saying, guys. An air pistol, 40 yards. Let me take this off for you. Look at this grouping, guys. Look at that. At 40 yards. Okay? You see how small that bullseye is. That is absolutely insanely impressive. Okay? I have to say, I literally have shot this at 40 yards. This actual field here where I'm at now, I've put out targets at 40 yards where I've used air rifles and have never been that accurate. I mean, they were accurate. Don't get me wrong, like super accurate. But this for an air pistol is phenomenal, guys. If you're looking into hunting small game, air pistol competition, anything like that, this thing is insanely accurate for an air pistol. Again, I have it topped off with my Pinty Nightfall MK2 moderator, which is working awesome. It's not throwing my shot. I have no pellet clipping, nothing. So everything on that, for the most part, except for the parallax wheel adjustment attachment piece, and obviously the scope level and stuff like that. Besides all that, everything's Pinty on there. I'm telling you, they did a phenomenal job. Now, I did do some trigger work on it. When it comes stock, it is very light trigger. Very good trigger, I will say that. But since I'm using this for competition, I really, really wanted to lighten the trigger down, and I did. And it is even better. So you can adjust the trigger on those. I wouldn't recommend it unless you're going to be doing like competition and stuff like that. But for hunting purposes and stuff, keep the trigger where it's at, because the trigger is flawless when you first get it. But you could see, again, let me turn you around here. 40 yards, uncut video. No editing, no nothing. That is insane. 40 yards away. And I'm going to show you where I'm at from down here. All the way up there. So guys, I really wanted to make this video to show you guys how you don't have to spend a fortune on airgun products, okay? You can go on to pinty.com, use my affiliate link down below, because you get a huge discount. Once you use my affiliate link, you also get the coupon code automatically attaches. So definitely in the descriptions below, check out my affiliate link. Use that to purchase Pinty products, because you get a very, very, very good discount. So I'm telling you guys, you can't beat it. You don't need these super expensive air gun products to get the job done. Pinty Buster, a budget-friendly company. They produce great, great product. They have awesome warranties, and they're very helpful. I mean, I reach out to them, and they get back to me within 24 hours. So again, check out the Pinty Buster, the MK2 model. It's phenomenal. Again, I proved it there, 40 yards away. Let me step back here. It's awesome. So stay tuned for the competition video next week. I'm going to be in a professional competition with that. We're going to see how it performs. Stay tuned for that video. That's going to be interesting. But for now, AJ is signing off here. We're signing off. Glad you guys could watch this video. Again, check out the affiliate link below in the descriptions. Okay? You click on that, you get a super awesome discount. The coupon code will be automatically attached to it, and then you can get any product in Pinty. You can even use the gunner, or you can even get the gunner scope, which this has on it, which is phenomenal, by the way. So y'all take care. God bless. Thank you all for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button for more awesome upcoming videos, and stay tuned.